you agree? It is indeed amazing to know that our girls can put up an evening like this in 20 days. You have only sent them to school for summer camp for 20 days. And if this is what they can give us in 20 days, I think the sky is the limit for these girls. So please give them a huge round of applause. And each one of you needs to feel really proud of what your daughters have done this evening. Many of them would not answer, would not speak in class. And today they have stood before you and spoken and acted with such confidence, which I wonder if all of you in this room share. These are indeed our champions. And parents, give yourselves a round of applause for coming in every day to bring these girls to camp. I would also like to share something which was declared earlier today. The Lucknow Girls College has stood 8th nationally with the ISC results 2017. We have stood 8th. Your daughter and you belong to a college which is bringing out the best. And how does this difference happen? It only and only happens because of the co-curricular activities that are offered in the college. So once mainstream school starts, please don't forget that these children have to do something and so much more through fun. And these are offered to you free of cost, parents, as evening games come July. So please bring your girls back to campus and let